Oh, business owner, this is your conscience speaking. Stop staring at Donald Trump. Don't look him in the eyes. Yes, he's just a figment of your imagination. I'm here to tell you that you could be doing something better with your business to make sure that things work. Why aren't you doing this? Is it because you haven't watched this video? Is it because your accountant is not as cool as advisorfi? Is it because your accountant hasn't shown you stranger accounting techniques? Well, that's why I'm here. I want to tell you about the top 5 business apps to be using during 2018. Well, that's it for now. Till next time. Toodaloo. Conscience out.
For the first time ever.
Aren't you excited? Aren't you excited that you have a conscience to tell you what to use for your business and what to do with your life? That's right. What do you think, Donald? Do you think there are amazing apps out there?
Yes.
I'm not sure if he knows, but I know, and I want to recommend them to you. I actually, in this video, want to show you the 5 best accounting applications you want to use for 2018.
Yes.
And so in this video, we're going to go through each and every one and why you would want to use them together.
Yes.
So why in the world do I care about this? Why in the world should you care about this? Well, there are actually 3 reasons we want to talk about as to why you should use these 5 specific applications in your business. Number 1, they talk to each other. That's right. These 5 apps, they come together like a beautiful puzzle, trying to fit the accounting life together so that when you're in front of people like me, I don't get so upset. Number 2, they make your business easier. Donald, wouldn't you agree that they make your business easier?
Yes.
That's right. They do make your business easier. The reason why is because they talk to each other. The accounting between each other goes back and forth without you doing anything, which means that your accounting will never mess up because you're out of the equation and people like me are out of the equation. That's really important. And number 3, it saves you a ton of money. Back in the day, before any of this actually happened, accountants used to provide all these kind of services. But now that because everything talks together, you no longer have to pay an accountant to do it, which is fine. Which actually scares the daylights out of traditional accountants
For the first time ever.
but makes people like me really excited. So tell me what these 5 apps are, Will. My business needs these apps. It's not doing well. We go through and we wait till the last minute to actually get things done. I need to know what 5 apps you're talking about.
For the first time ever.
All right, so let's dive right in. The first app I'm going to recommend to you is Xero Accounting. That's right, you can actually go to Xero.com and check out this awesome accounting app. You're going to want to start here first. The reason why is you want to make sure you have an awesome foundation for you to run your business on, and Xero Accounting is the foundation to do it. Super awesome app. It actually integrates in with 600 other cloud-based apps that you can use for your business. You can do things on your mobile device. You can reconcile real fast. That means you can basically categorize or kind of put your transactions for your business in its place really quickly. And if you're using really old stuff like QuickBooks, you can actually convert over to things from QuickBooks into Xero, no problem. Totally recommend it. All our clients are on Xero Accounting, and it's definitely the accounting software of choice. This is what's going to change accounting, and it's going to make it great again. You can actually go into their app marketplace. They actually have a really sweet app marketplace that you can dive right into. Check out all the apps that you would need for your business and see what you could use for your business. You can actually sort it by industry if you wanted. If you had business type, if you're in the retail, business, if you're in the hospitality business, if you're in the automotive business, so on and so forth, it'll actually recommend the technology that you would use for those businesses, and this is definitely the app that I would recommend. The second app that you should use for your business is Gusto. Gusto.com. Gusto actually integrates nicely with Xero.com, and basically Gusto is for payroll, benefits, and HR, things that you would need for your business, basically built for small businesses and for business owners who don't know much about payroll, but yet they want to tackle that process on. Here, actually, Gusto says 72% of customers spend 5 minutes or less to run their payroll. Super amazing platform, really easy to use. Very simple. You can actually invite your employees to it. They can see their little portal end of it, and you can actually do things like auto payroll, where it actually automates the processing of payroll and everything that you have to do for payroll automatically behind the scenes, and you don't have to do anything. It just does its thing and you run your business. And this is a super sweet app that you would use. Integrates with Xero, that way you don't have to do the heavy lifting accounting. The third app I would recommend is adventurous.com. That's right, I got my Expensify swag on. They gave me this t-shirt. I like them a lot. Expensify is actually for receipt tracking, expense reporting, mileage tracking, things like this. So if you're out and about and you're spending money for your business, you'll use Expensify, you'll snap a picture of the receipt, and this will actually capture the image, it'll read it, and it'll actually tell you how much you spent, and it'll tell you where you want to categorize this as far as like meals, entertainment, or travel, or so on and so forth. And it pushes this receipt copy and the data into Xero, so when the actual data comes out of your credit card or your bank account, it actually syncs up together, it matches it together, and you don't have to worry about all the heavy lifting accounting, and basically a really good audit trail kind of thing. So basically, auto matching receipts with the actual bank data. It has actually OCR technology, and it has a direct integration with Xero, which is super, super functional, super user-friendly. We love this software a lot, and we actually promote it a lot to our clients. And it says right here, who's it for? Accountants, professional services, high-tech, accounting firms, media, startups, hospitality, retail. No matter what business you're in, Expensify actually does an excellent job in receipt tracking and pushing that data into things like Xero. The fourth app that we would recommend is MileIQ. MileIQ actually is a mileage tracking app, even though Expensify has that feature as well, but this is specific for mileage tracking. We like it a lot. It actually recently made an announcement that MileIQ integrates now with Xero. So if you're a small business owner, you're doing your business on your Schedule C, which is on your personal tax return, MileIQ is a perfect integration with something like Xero. So if you don't know how that works or how you want it to work, partner up with someone like us at AdvisorFi, and we'll help you make sure that your Xero accounting and your MileIQ are synced up nicely, so that way it actually goes into your Schedule C nice and seamlessly. Here it is. It says MileIQ integration with Xero to enable independent contractors to accurately deduct their mileage on their Schedule C. Super functional, super easy to use. Before, back in the day, you would actually give your accountant a little mileage tracking sheet. Now you can actually push that data right into Xero without having to give your accountant anything, and it's right there all in one spot for your accountant to use. And last but not least, yes, that's right, advisorfi.com. We're one of the best apps out there. That's right, we actually have software that integrates into Xero. In fact, what we are is a full service accounting firm. So for a small, flat monthly fee, we'll take care of all the stuff that you need, like tax returns and consulting and awesome YouTube videos. We actually have a collaborative dashboard where you can interact with our professionals at all times, and this is perfect for small businesses. So if you could use the Xero with Gusto integration, with Expensify integration, and MileIQ on top, and then put the cherry on top, which is advisorfi.com. And with the integration of these 5 apps, you won't need anything else for your business to make it run nice and efficient for your 2018 year. In the description below, I'm going to put all the links for you to reference, for you to access these amazing apps. Be sure to use them this year. If you use these apps this year, you're going to have an amazing 2018 year as a business owner. You're going to eliminate all sorts of redundancies. You're going to have a better life experience as far as business ownership is concerned, because business ownership is not for the faint of heart. But with these apps, you can pretty much do just about anything. During 2018, we're going to release weekly videos for your benefit and your benefit alone. So thanks for watching. See you guys at the next video.
Hey there, cowboy and cowgirl. If you guys like what you see, click on that subscribe button down below and check out this video over here and that playlist down there. And we'll see you guys on the next video. Yeehaw!